Alright, this is a little bike here. I'm not very good at doing videos. It's probably one of the first times I've ever done this, but anywho, this is the apparent missing relay. It's brand new, same spec as these little dudes on both sides. This is that dealer plug switch, I believe. I've pulled all the wires out to make them more accessible so I can test them and do whatever I can do to, within my limited knowledge, to be able to rectify the issue. But I am at a loss. So at the moment, obviously, fuel tank and airbox is off. The only things that aren't connected at the moment are things that pertain to the airbox and the fuel tank. So I can't see how any of that would stop the dash from coming on. Anyway, this is that other, that's just a horn. I just took that off because it was pulling and tugging. There's that other mysterious plug that I can't find any discernible place to plug into. So, but everything else is all plugged in. Yeah, everything pertaining to the right handlebar, the left handlebar, it's currently draped over like that, again, just for accessibility at the moment. But anyway, this is what she's doing. So, dash comes on to an extent. So, I believe that's low beam, that's high beam, which is all good. High beam light comes on, that's currently neutral light. Put the blinkers on, that comes up on the dash. Yep, blinkers are working. All pointed in weird directions and shit at the moment, but again, it's all about trying to get to the bottom of its problems. I've only got so many hands. I have to put my phone somewhere for now. So obviously you have to pull the clutch in to start it. So pull the clutch in, the motor cranks. So yeah, so turn the kill switch off, pull the clutch in, hit the starter, nothing happens. So that's, as far as I can tell, that's normal. But as to why this dash isn't powering up, I am fucked if I know. So likewise, when everything else is all, like the airbox and tank and everything's put back into place, there's no fuel pump priming. It's just dead. ECU is currently plugged in, but yeah, I've got my suspicions about that. But from what I understand is that whether the ECU is plugged in or active or live or whatever, the dash should still come up. So, what have I gotten myself into? Anyway, any help and advice would be greatly appreciated, so we can get this poor old neglected girl sorted out again. Oh yeah, brake light works fine. So yeah, later. All hail the great